Good morning, YouTube. Wake up, sleepy people. We got to go to work. So we're just chilling out with some coffee this morning before my help gets here. And let you know, we're going to do part 2 of the Gator Glide this morning. We're going to clean it, mask it, and put the Gator Glide over the top of the Gator base today. We're looking for 4 to 5 coats on top of it. So that means that's going to be 8 to 9 coats of Gator Glide on the bottom of this boat. We did a black base coat. We're coming back with a green cover coat of the Gator Glide. That way, when and if this Gator Glide starts to wear through on the bottom from loading and unloading on the boat, on the trailer, you'll know when you start seeing black, you'll know that it's time to redo the Gator Glide. Okay, that's simple. That's just simple right there. So this morning we're going to wash it. We're going to wash the boat. As we're washing it, we're going to scuff it with the red Scotch-Brite pad. Then we're going to come over top of that. We're going to dry it with towels, get it super dry, and then we're going to wipe it down with paper towels and lint-free paper towels and acetone. Okay, at that point right there, it's ready to paint. It's ready to roll. So we're going to roll the Gator Glide on, and we're going to put it on thin coats and multiple thin coats. We're going to do anywhere from 4 to 5 to 6 coats on it, as much as what we have will allow. But at this point right here, I'm gonna urge you to order just a little bit more of this stuff than what you actually need, because it does go on and it does get sticky. It does dry. It does not go as far as you think it will. It's not like painting walls on a house. It won't stretch like you think for. You put it on as thin as you can, but still, this stuff, it dries fast. 45 minutes, it's dry from beginning to end. You know, the time you mix it, the time you start, in 45 minutes, it's gonna be dry. Don't do it in the sun, because it does make it dry faster. That's good coffee this morning. So anyway, we got a hat giveaway for the first. This is going to be the first 60 subscribers to my channel. I've got a Gator Glide hat that was sent to me by Dave himself, and we're going to give it away. So I want you guys to subscribe, like this video, ring the bell, watch the other videos, leave a message, and keep an eye on this video, because once I have a winner, I'm gonna pop it up there, and I'm gonna say, hey, this is my winner. You need to send me an email to my email account with your mailing address on it, so I can put this hat in a box and send it to you. All right. We all know what's coming at 100 subscribers. You know, did I tell you? We're giving away a little Tax ATV at 100 subscribers. So that's where I thought we was going to be there last year, December. We could have given it away so a kid could have it for Christmas. We're not even halfway there yet. I'm ashamed. I thought I was a more likable person than that. Anyway, go back and watch my videos. If they can be of help to you, watch them. Watch them anyway, because I do some humorous things in these videos. It happens. Anyway, guys, where I was going to next is the next step after this is going to be a 3D camo job. After the Gator base goes down, after the Gator Glide goes down over the top of the base, we're going to do a 3D camouflage job over the top of the inside and outside of the boat. So, yeah, you'll want to see this because it's intricate and it's going to be a beautiful paint job. I guarantee you'll lose this boat if you walk away from it in the bushes. Later, guys. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like this video, leave your comments. Hit them buttons. Hit them buttons, smash them. Break your phone, throw it across the room, smash the button, like the button. Do it. What's it gonna hurt? It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Guys, love you. With the grace of God. This section of video, you're gonna see me scrub it down with Scotch-Brite and Dawn dishwashing liquid. Rinse it off and dry it with a terry cloth towel, and then with oil-free, lint-free paper towels, and then we're going to mask it off for good straight lines, and then we're going to get started painting the Gator Glide, the top coat on. So after we've already wiped it down with acetone. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. But subscribe. Subscribe. I'm waiting on your subscription today. Thanks, guys. God bless and have a great day.